Hello guys, my name is Quratullah Azizi and welcome to Azizi Tech Info. Are you a new YouTuber? Are you making a great and strong videos but your channel is not big grow? Don't worry. If you want to grow up your channel, just follow the some rules. Make a great content and make a great edit videos and make a great thumbnail. I'm focusing in this video how to make a great thumbnail. You can make a great thumbnail with Photoshop and in PowerPoint. Now, how to make a great thumbnail with PowerPoint. Now, let's go to the screen of my laptop. Go to PowerPoint. There's a lot of options. I choose to blank presentation. It's simple. Now, go to insert menu and bring to some picture. Choose the picture. Choose to this picture. As you can see, my pictures out of the fonts. Now we must go to back of the fonts. Send to back. Now choose the picture full screen. I'm right to health and fitness. Control A. Always make two fonts big and bold. Choose the color. I'm choose to yellow is a good. Go to format. Give to some dim style. I choose to this. It's good. Scroll down. Give us some shape apex. Where is it? It's good. Scroll down and bring to and right to top 5 apps. Control A. Go to home. Choose to style of fonts and get to bold. You can bring more colors in here. Black. I choose to black. Okay. Get to some formats, some themes. And give some shapes. Now our thumbnail is ready. Go to file menu and go to save. I'm choose to desktop. Now in this here is a very important. I choose to GPG. It means to picture, health and fitness, desktop, save. Yes, just one on this. Let's open. Now our terminal is ready. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. See you next. Peace out.